GensoKishi MV token is up 9.1% today. What's happened? Is it worth buying? Let's take a look. So we can see GensoKishi is a Metaverse token rank 212 with a market capital of $430 million. 85% of the total supply is in circulation. So we are up 10% against Bitcoin, we're up 8% against Ethereum. Things are starting to look rather bullish, and it is reflected on that 7-day time frame. However, retrospectively speaking, looking at the 1 year, still looking rather bearish and extremely undervalued. So is this now a gem that can be accumulated, ready for the next crypto bull run? Let's have a little look at what it is. So this is the website here, giving real kind of sort of anime RPG vibes. I do think it looks pretty cool. GensoKishi online, I don't know where you can play it. The regions, you've got the Singapore region, Japan region, so I don't know if you need like a VPN or something if you're in the US or the UK, but it is quite an interesting one to look at. I think the website could be worked on a little bit better, like reading these tabs is quite difficult, maybe the front end sort of SEO, but overall, it looks alright. Experience fantasy in the new world of the Metaverse. So got some cool graphics and animations over here. It's a bit of gameplay as well. Free to play game, spend the best time with Metaverse with people all over the world. So it does look pretty cool, and I guess we should look at it to see if this can go any further. I think it's listed on ERC20 and also the Polygon mainnet. So far I only see there's 3,512 addresses here for Ethereum, and when we look at Polygon, and when we look at Ethereum, I got it the wrong way around, didn't I? There's only 302 holders, so this is quite interesting to see. On ERC20, there's not really too many holders at all. When we look at the markets that this is available on, it's also just on a few tier 1 exchanges: KuCoin, Gate.io, Kraken, Bybit. And this is what's quite interesting. Look at all the volume that we're getting on Bybit. We've had $610,000 worth of volume today, and the reason is very, very simple. Because of this, a big day for us, Bybit. Rund USDT is live for spot trading. Geno Meta. Stake can earn up to 888% APY, $500,000 units of Rund prize pool await. So really big day. I think they got a listing, as we can see. Rund USDT is actually live now. So this has definitely got something to do with the pump that we're seeing, the price action, because when we look at Bybit over here, we can see that the volume is up massively compared to usual. So this makes me wonder what's going on, and is it really worth buying? As we keep scrolling through, they've still got some other interesting bits going through. They've got some competitions as well as giveaways. That's what's important. So even through a bear market, they're still giving back, they're still growing the protocol, they're still upgrading their ecosystem, and they're still very, very active, as we can see, always communicating with the community every single day, pretty much talking about upgrades, updates, and craziness that's going on for their ecosystem. You've got this little guy playing the game, clearly farming some money for his mum or dad. I mean, that's what I'd get my kids doing if, it makes sense. Get them on play to earn. Why should they sit there on a PS3 or PS4 or PS5 when you can get them play to earn? Let's make some crypto money. MV, looking at this, in my opinion, it's gone straight to overbought on the daily RSI. It's not actually ever been there before, and ever since the launch, it looks like it just went into a rug. Now, I don't know when this did launch. It might not have been April. There may be price history before this, but just looking at what I can see right now, let's check here as well just to be fully sure. Yeah, it looked like it launched at like 36 cents, mooned, corrected, and then in April, that's what we're seeing reflected on the charts. We've got another pump, so that means 80 cents is also a key area of resistance, getting back to this 80 cents level right here. So this would be a good price target, 80 cents. But I think first things first is to get a recovery back up to this key level of resistance over here. So, for this particular year, I reckon it's possible to see a 0.38 MV token if we can see some bullish continuation to the upside. Looking on the 4 hour, very, very overbought, bearish divergence playing out here as the price comes higher, and I think we just got to kind of hold out and see what's going to happen. Super volatile. If you did buy in around August, you would be looking at some big profits right now. You'd probably be up quite a bit, 63% if you bought that market cycle bottom over there. So we are getting a continuation. We are seeing the bulls back in control, and we have slightly corrected from the last few hours when we look here, touching down on that 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. So we might get some continuation to the upside. I do think 0.39 is a real big technical target. Before that, we have this major resistance right here to reach, which is the 0.27. And we've got loads of support now for MV at around this particular level here of $0 to $3. So let's see if it can hold this position. It does look like it might be potentially forming a bearish reversal pattern known as a double top, which means it would come down, retest this level of support, which is known as the neckline. Let me just draw that neckline in for you. And if we do come down and, hit 0.24, we could potentially come down by about, well, a fair amount, to be honest. Let's have a look what the technical target would be. The technical short position would take us to 0.23, which would be a devaluation of around about 5% on the short there. So we could see continuation to the downside. Let's wait and see what happens. Are you going to get some MV token? Are you a believer of the metaverse? Do you like play to earn NFTs? Let me know down below. Speaking of metaverse tokens, Tamado just recently launched on the OKX exchange. It did like a 3x from its public launch from pre-sale. So looking really, really good as it's holding at the $0.02 level. If you want to buy some Tamados today, it's literally just launched. It's only on one centralized exchange. It's already got a $22.5 million market capital, making a top 10 meme coin. Check out my link down below of how you can win $10 or actually claim $10 worth of Tamado tokens just by simply opening an account. Before you do leave, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, get yourself into my Discord down below, which is right here. There's almost 700 people in here, so come and say hi. I'd love to see you there. Let's all hang out, talk things crypto, and let's learn and grow together. See you soon. Bye for now. Much love. See you there.